Hi, I'm Aaron and I'm in the kitchen, and today I am making strawberry cookies for my fiance's birthday. Let's get into it. Y'all, I forgot to melt my butter, so I'm kind of like smashing it a little bit here. I really should not be doing this on my scale, so I'm gonna quit doing that. But anyway, let's turn on our scale and start getting into it. This entire recipe today is going to be by hand. Sometimes even if you have all of the equipment in the world, you just don't want to use it all. So sometimes you just do it by hand. First thing going into the scale, besides the butter that you can already see, that's 250 grams of butter, by the way. Next, we're doing 300 grams of all-purpose flour. Commonly in the descriptions or on websites, I'll write AP flour, but you guys, it's all-purpose flour. Oh, if your grocery store doesn't say all-purpose, universal flour is all-purpose flour. Next, going in with baking soda. Clear out your scale. We're using 7 grams of baking soda. Seven grams of sea salt. I've said this a billion times, but it doesn't hurt to reiterate that I always use sea salt in my recipes. Oh, I'm so happy for baking season to be back. I have so many ideas that I am ready to share, and I just am so ready to get it out of my head. Going in with our brown sugar here, 165 grams. And then 100 grams of sugar. All right. Two teaspoons of vanilla. This also works interchangeably with vanilla paste, so 2 teaspoons of vanilla paste would also work. I'm so happy to finally be able to use my vanilla extract that I made last year. Okay, now our strawberry components. We are going in with some strawberry jam today. I'm using 165 grams of strawberry jam, or 120 milliliters if you want to measure it like that. Yes. Yes. And then 24 grams of freeze-dried strawberries. Okay, so I went into the food processor to chop it up nice. But you guys can smash this in a bowl, or you can use a coffee grinder if you want it super duper fine. Use a coffee grinder. And these are freeze-dried strawberries. I hope I said that already. All right. My butter isn't truly soft enough just yet. But as my butter softens more, then everything will start to come together. You can already see it starting to come together to make a cookie. Yeah, see that? It's already becoming a cookie. Just gotta keep working my butter. You know what? I think I'm gonna add some food coloring to this just because I want a nice pink color. So I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of food coloring here. Let's see. I just happen to have a little bit of red on hand. Okay. This isn't a part of the recipe, it's just for my personal liking. Yeah, it is turning a little pink. I want it more pink, so I'm gonna add more red here. Yeah, that's a nice pink color. Okay, last ingredient going in, 2 eggs. Fresh from the farm. Okay, and it is pink. But I wonder if it's gonna bake and turn gray. So I might add just a little bit more red.
Oh, that's beautiful. What are you going for, like color-wise? Like something will be radioactive, like very colorful, or?
I just want it pink.
Pink?
Yeah, well, the thing is, I want it really pink, right? That's why I'm adding so much red. I've added this whole container of red. So it might turn red, but I want it really, really dark pink in the bowl because when you bake color, it starts to fade. So it might be pink right now, but then it might turn gray. And nobody wants to eat gray food. Well, I don't discriminate. Yeah, now this is pink. That's pink. Now, if I was making red velvet, I'd be very upset that this is not red, but this is, yeah, nice and pink. So when I bake these up, they should also be nice and pink. Okay, I'm perfectly happy with this. I'm going to scrape off my mixing spoon here now, and I'm just going to set this bowl in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and then I will bake off the cookies. So after the 30 minutes is up, or during the 30 minutes, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Great. Hey y'all, we back. Okay. I mean, to y'all, there is no back. You don't, it's probably been like 3 seconds to y'all. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going in with a medium-sized cookie scoop, and I'm scooping out cookies and just putting them on, making sure there's space in between. My dough is really, really soft, so just be aware of that. It doesn't necessarily mean you did anything wrong if your dough is soft. Cookie scoop. All right. Let's try to space them out because they will spread. And space them better than I'm doing. Because my dough is so soft, I think I'm gonna cut down my bake time here by 3 minutes or so. I'm gonna bake these for 8 minutes instead of what I originally had planned. And y'all have no idea what I originally had planned. So yeah, this is gonna be my test batch to see how much they're gonna spread. I feel like I can add one more cookie. Probably going against my own better judgment here. No, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so 175 for me, 350 for you guys. Going in, let's see what happens, how much they spread. I'm going in 175 for me, 350 for y'all for 8 minutes. Cookie scoop. Okay, I need to tell you guys about the baking time. I had it originally set for 8 minutes. I just added 2 more minutes on, so a total of 10 minutes per bake. I'm not gonna get a plate. I'm just gonna go in here and grab and get into these super duper soft cookies. This one just came out of the oven, so it's still not totally solid. But look, I'm gonna eat this. It's a very soft cookie. If you want your cookie on the more solid side, then bake it longer. But I like a soft cookie personally, so so it's really good. I think the next time I make this, I'm gonna add more freeze-dried strawberries, I think. But it's really good. I mean, you definitely taste the strawberry. I just want more, you know, I want more. So I don't know, maybe I could decorate it with like a strawberry jam. I'm just going at this. Okay, Mr. Cameraman is not gonna taste this on today, but I give this a solid 8 out of 10. So, okay, maybe it's a 9. Go ahead and try it at home. As always, the recipe will be on the website, aaroninthekitchen.com. Can't wait to see you on the next upload. If you enjoyed what you saw, and I hope you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.